This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Marilyn Drake. You will love this spacious, low-maintenance house in the Coosawattee River Resort. This ranch-style home features all 3 bedrooms on the main, along with 2 full baths, living room, kitchen, laundry room, eat-in kitchen, huge room with space for a dining room, music room and additional space to provide for your family. The terrace level has storage and a spacious room for a large office, theater room, or additional family room space. The community offers many amenities including 3 swimming pools, 1 indoor for year-round swimming, tennis courts, exercise room, game room, walking trails, river access for tubing and kayaking, and more. For more information, review the details below or contact Marilyn Drake at